Hello viewers, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Voice of Animals and Awareness. School safety has been defined as the creation of safe environment for children, starting from their homes to their school and back. This includes safety from large-scale natural hazards of geological or climatic origin, human-made risks, pandemic, violence, as well as more frequent and smaller-scale fire, transportation, and other related emergencies, and environmental threats that can adversely affect the lives of children. The concept has evolved over the last couple of decades as the threat to the physical well-being of children has become more visible both globally and in the country. The concept of school safety in its current form includes safety issues both inside and outside the school. It includes issues of child protection and safety that look at all forms of violence and deprivation that affect the physical and mental well-being of children. As it stands today, therefore, school safety is a concept that encompasses the creation of safe environment for children, starting from their home to their school and back. Every person below the age of 18 years as a child, and that childhood is an integral part of life with a value of own and long-term sustainable multi-sectoral integrated and inclusive approach is necessary for the harmonious development and protection of our children. The policy has identified survival, health, nutrition, education, development, protection, including from emergencies and disaster, and participation as the undeniable rights of every child, and has also declared these as key priority areas. School safety efforts need to take cognizance of all kinds of hazards that may affect the well-being of children. These may include natural hazards such as flood and earthquakes, as well as man-made hazards. Hazard includes structural and non-structural factors. Structural factors include dilapidated buildings, poorly designed structures, faulty construction, poorly maintained infrastructure, loose building elements, etc. While non-structural factor includes loosely placed heavy objects such as almirah, infestation of the compass by snakes and any other pest, broken or low boundary walls, uneven flooring, blocked evacuation road, poorly designed and placed furniture that may cause accident and injury, inadequate sanitation facilities, etc. Safety of children, their teachers and parents need to be approached holistically to include visible as well as invisible risks that may be sudden onset or have built up slowly over a period of time.
Rights, WRITES.
Is not a one-time but a continuous process. Safety principles need to be incorporated in the day-to-day functioning of the educational institutions in the country, cutting across the traditional stages of the disaster cycles, preparedness, response, and recovery. Thus, institutions involved in providing education in the country need to evolve a methodology and an approach of their own that looks at safety as a continuous monitored indicator of quality. Planning for emergencies at the school level cannot be done in isolation from the school community and the official structures responsible for schools. Therefore, the planning exercise must be inclusive, involving wide range of representatives from the school and its neighboring communities, including school administrators, school principals, school staff, students, and key representatives from the community. The school management committee members, children, and teachers, being the primary user of the school, are in the best position to identify and plan for addressing hazards and risks that may threaten their safety. Once the school management committee has been formed and oriented to school safety issues, a dedicated group of individuals is available to lead the process of identifying risks and vulnerabilities. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Voice of Animals and Awareness. Thank you.